Okay, so continue on part two. You can see that the implied volatility here for the near month is quite elevated above the subsequent months, and that's a good sign because that gives me a hint that there will probably be a decent volatility crash. Now again, we're looking at the uh, okay. So the three things we're going to look at now is the option volume, the option open interest, and the bid-ask spread. So you can see here that the open interest, that's the number of open positions on that particular option is high. They're in the thousands, and the volume is also quite high in the thousands or hundreds. Okay, so that is a good indicator. These options are quite liquid and tradable. Now, the other very major factor is the bid-ask spread. So here's the bid, here's the ask. You can see bid is 1.31, ask is 1.36. So the spread there is 5 cents, which is very reasonable. Okay, it's a small bid-ask spread, and if you have a look at strike prices which are further away, it's still around that same realm of 3 cents, 5 cents, okay, maybe up to 10 cents. So the bid-ask spread here is not significant, and that means that this is a tradable stock. The options on this stock are quite tradable. Now, volatility patterns. So first of all, I'll just have an eyeball of the chart. So let's go to a chart of Medtronic. Okay, and I'll just zoom in on the previous earnings. And what I'm looking for is a volatility drop after earnings, because that is what will give us our profit. Okay, so you can see here that if I go to the day before earnings volatility, implied volatility, we're looking at this over here. So implied volatility is 0.285 or 28.5%. And then the day following the earnings announcement, it drops to 22.7%. Okay, and again, you can see here it's again about 28%, it drops to 26. Here it's 31, drops to 28. Okay, so that drop does not seem very major. It will probably be excluded, but there is a drop. So I'm going to do a more in-depth analysis using a Excel macro that I developed to assess whether the volatility drop will be significant enough for us to trade. So that's a very quick summary of how I go through making a short list first of all of stocks to trade options on their earnings cycle. The next step will be to do much more in-depth detailed analysis of the pattern of price changes surrounding earnings, but that will be a later video. So if you can, please sign up to our free option trade alerts. You can see down the bottom there should be a pop-up that comes up to the bottom of your screen. If you've minimized it, there's still a tag. Sign up to our free options alert list, and we will let you know about the trades that we're going to be making this week. Okay, the ones that we've shortlisted and that think they are good candidates for options earning trade.